Christmas. Welcome to Simple Beauty with Tasha. Girl, I'm Tasha and I love all things beauty, don't you? If you're watching this video, I know you at least love makeup. I'm coming at you all month long with Vlogmas, December 1st through the 25th. So it would be really great if you would subscribe so you don't miss any of my Vlogmas videos. I've got 3 looks coming at you today. 3 top shimmer combos. I hope you enjoy it. I can't wait for you to check out how I got this look, so I won't hold you up. Let's get to the video. Okay, y'all, I am back with a full face. I know you already know from the thumbnail, the intro, what we're talking about today are my top 3 shimmer combos. I am so excited about this because y'all know I love eyeshadow. I love eyeshadow. I don't care what they say about eyeshadow is going out of style or whatever. People aren't really buying eyeshadow like that. I'm buying it. I love eyeshadow. I'm somebody and I love to play in it. So we are going to do my 3 top shimmer combos. And we're going to start with the Anastasia of Beverly Hills palette. It's called Rose Metals. You've seen this on my channel before. Why? Because it's a banger. Girl, this palette is so good. If you like neutrals, but with a little pop, a little something on the side, this is your girl right here. So what I'm going to do is just swatch those shimmer shades. Oh, girl. Okay. Crazy good. Oh, so good. Check out these shimmers, girl. Just look at them. Just check them out. Just think about the looks that you could do with this palette. So today we're using this shade on the lid and then this shade because I love a green olive look. I also like for my green olivey looks to have like a little brightness with it. So that's what that shade is going to give us. So when it comes to the mattes in this palette, 9 times out of 10, let's start there. We're going to place it in our crease, back and forth and back, just like a windshield wiper. So today my husband and I are going to go to a Christmas tree lighting ceremony. I guess you would call it ceremony, but we decided to go ahead and make the trip because I had heard about it, and you know, I personally really like going to Christmas tree lighting ceremonies. Let me know if you've ever been to one. If this one is supposed to have stuff for the kids, I guess games, or I don't know, some stuff for the kids. Okay, stop. I don't even have to say anything. Like, look at that. So pretty. I'm a huge fan of green eyeshadow. This is like an olive color. And check it out right against that matte shade. Like, they go together. Boyfriend, girlfriend, they go together. So, so pretty. Now we're gonna go right next to, oh wow. Every time I use this palette, before I blend them, just check it out. Just in awe. Like, it's so pretty. So pretty. I love this. I went on a whole rant recently in a recent video about how the battery for this camera overheats, and I really need another battery to buy a second battery for almost $100, you know, so that I could film, because the battery would overheat before I was done filming, you know. Anyway, I bought another battery. I bought another one because the company that I bought it from, they sent me an email saying the battery that I want is 30% off, I think. So anyway, it was $65. Girl, I went on and got it. Oh my gosh. I don't want to go too deep into it, girl, because it really does irritate me. I would wear this every other day. It's so cute. All right, another combo that I love, and I don't wear it a lot. I don't know why, because I love purple eyeshadow. But another combo I love is to have a purple shadow with a silver shadow. This is so pretty if you are going out on a date. Girl, I'm telling you, so, so pretty. So let's set up the left eye with that look. Why did I do it? But girl, I could not help myself. Miss Danessa, she needs to stay out of my pocketbook. For real though, she needs to stay out of my pocketbook. I'm sick of her. I'm so sick of her in my pocketbook. This one has a gorgeous, 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 gorgeous purple shade right there. And then we're gonna go in with that silver, but we're gonna start with this brown shade in the crease. I think what I can do with this shadow, which is the same thing I did on this side, I did the windshield wiper, and then I took the same exact shade, used it over here in my outer V, wiped off the brush, dragged it up into my crease. I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Of course, we're starting with that purple one right there. Oh, this is my first time. I swatched a couple, maybe 3 or so of them. But girl, I have not put it on my lids yet. Let's go in with this silver shade right here. This is good and I haven't blended. A lot of times purples in palettes will lean a lot more pink. To me, this is purple. So I love purple eyeshadow, okay? I love, love, love green eyeshadow. These are two looks that I love. This one I want to wear today, honestly. I'm not going to, because I'm going to keep it kind of holiday-ish. So I've got a look coming up with some reddish, pinkish tones to it. So anyway, just hold on. Let me take this off and I'll be right back. Girl, of course, I was going to have a Pat McGrath palette in this video. That's my girl. I love her. This one is the Mothership 5 Bronze Seduction. This one, I believe, when it came out, a lot of people were using it as their holiday palette. And you can see the reason why. Really pretty. Check out the reds, the pinks. Let's swatch the special shades, the 4 shades on this side. Let's go ahead and swatch those. These are the 2 shades we're going to use. So we're going to start out with this shade right here. It's just a matte shade for the crease. So that's that shade in the crease. And now we're going to go in with this deep, beautiful brown shade right here in the outer V. What shade do you just absolutely love to put on your lid? Maybe it's green, maybe it's gold. Let me know. What do you like or really enjoy putting on your lid? And like when you put it on and you look at yourself and you're like, girl, yes, that's it. Like, what shade does it for you? Yeah, we're doing holiday something. I'm gonna stop right there. I'm not going to drag it any further in. Normally I would just wear pink. I like pink a whole lot on the lid, but because it's holiday time, you know, We're gonna go all in. Speaking of holiday time, it's a shame that you can't see my decor back here. Hopefully you saw my very first Vlogmas video where we decorated the space back there. But it's a shame that while I'm filming, you can't see what I've got going on back there. I've got my ceiling light off on purpose because I thought I was setting the mood. You know, I thought it was gonna be dim back there and you would see the tree, you know, with the lights and all. Girl, you can't see nothing. You could barely see the tree. You know what I'm saying? Like, that was really disappointing when I sat down and turned the camera on. I was like, all that I went through and you can't even see it. So let me scoot over for a second though. If you haven't seen the first Vlogmas video, I'll scoot over for a second so you can see. This needs, to me, a black shade to smoke it out. And I think that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna smoke this look out. That's really pretty. Check out my pillows, y'all. I don't know if you can see everything with the light off, but I've got the 2 pillows on either side. The pillows that you may not be able to see it, but they have Christmas trees on them. It's tone on tone. And then you've got the Merry Christmas pillows in the middle. My little tree that I always have sitting over there, it's all decked out in lights. It's cute, right? But you can't see it when I'm filming. That's sad. These Morphe brushes are super duper old, like 6 years old probably. This is the Morphe M506, but really, girl, it's just a pencil brush, okay? And all I'm gonna do is take this single shadow and dab like that. And get the pigment there and then just dab it here. That's all. Keeping it really low, just right there. It just gives it a slight bit of va-va-va-voom. You know what I'm saying? Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Not much. Holiday look. Holiday earrings. Holiday background. Okay, wait, you can't see the background, but you know it's back there, girl. I tried. Please let me know what you think about my top 3 shimmer combos. I'd love to know. I am really enjoying Vlogmas so far. I hope that you are enjoying the videos, the 2 that I've posted. I hope you are enjoying them. I hope that you will subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my Vlogmas videos that are coming up this month. Vlogmas on this channel is from December 1st through the 25th. I would love for you to hang out with me every day during Vlogmas, so please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, there are videos popping up. Please don't forget to check out one of those. There are playlists down below. I am so sure that one of them will appeal to you. I've got like 10 or so I know one will appeal to you. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give me a big thumbs up. I really appreciate you hanging out with me today, and I cannot wait to see you on the next video. But until then, be safe and always be blessed. Bye-bye.